Good morning and a very warm welcome. Thank you for tuning into CNN News 18. I'm Kritsween Balian. Our top focus stories, the drama unfolding in the national capital. Currently, several TMC MPs staging a protest outside Home Minister Amit Shah's office in the national capital. They're staging a massive protest in Delhi. This comes after Enforcement Directorate raided the offices of IPAC, which is a political consultancy firm, and also the residence of its co-founder Prateek Jain. This has sparked a massive political firestorm, not just in West Bengal, also here in the national capital. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who arrived at Prateek Jain's residence during the raid yesterday, claimed that ED was trying to seize TMC's internal documents and sensitive data. She also accused the agency of data loot and alleged that the raids were politically motivated. ED, however, maintains that searches were part of routine anti-money laundering operation and not targeted at any political party. The battle is set to move to the courts today. The Calcutta High Court is scheduled to take up ED's charge, along with the counter complaints by the TMC and the Prateek Jain family. So this is the latest, the series of showdown that continues in the entire controversy ever since ED raids started last evening. A lot of threats are now being issued, a lot of complaints are now being looked into. But what is out in the open is heated exchange between the TMC and the Enforcement Directorate, straight up leveling some charges at the Enforcement Directorate. The TMC calls this politically motivated. I do want to go across to Anshul Singh, who joins us with more details. The drama has moved to the national capital as we speak. These visuals coming in from outside Home Minister Amit Shah's office in Delhi. Over to you, Anshul. Give us the latest.
So yes, these visuals that you are seeing on your screens right now are of the protest that has been done by at least 7 MPs of the Trinamool Congress right outside the Kartavya Bhavan. Kartavya Bhavan is the same building which houses many important ministries, including the Home Ministry. And since the last half an hour, these MPs had arrived over here and started raising slogans against the manner in which the Enforcement Directorate has gone ahead and carried out search operations at the office and the residence of Prateek Jain, the head of IPAC. Now, post that the Delhi police has now reached on the spot, and they have now removed these MPs from the gates of Kartavya Bhavan, because remember, this is a very, very high security area and any sort of protest cannot actually happen in this area. This is Kartavya Bhavan, which is right next to India Gate. So definitely this is a very, very important location and a very high security area out here in the national capital. And now Delhi police has detained all these MPs and have taken them away from Kartavya Bhavan. All these MPs are now being have now been detained, including the likes of Derek O'Brien, Mahua Moitra, who had arrived over there and were raising slogans against the manner in which these raids happened yesterday. But now, at this point in time, as we are speaking, the protesters, the MPs, have been removed from there. And now the gates of the Kartavya Bhavan have now been opened, because remember, today is a working day as well, and these are peak working hours, and the officers and other employees of the different ministries that are stationed inside the Kartavya Bhavan, they needed to go in, and it was becoming a massive headache for the Delhi police to actually control the traffic situation in and around that area as well. And hence, as soon as the protest started, within the next few minutes, the officers of the Delhi police reached over there and have now detained these TMC MPs who were protesting over there and have now taken them away from the said location.
Remember, these raids were carried out at premises linked to Prateek Jain, co-founder of IPAC. It's a consultancy firm, and the allegation being levelled by the Trinamool Congress is that this is an attempt to loot TMC's political data ahead of elections. Stay on with us, Anshul. A lot of reactions have come in. Let's quickly play out a few.
तो ऐसा प्रदर्शन करते करते ममता बनर्जी चले जाए। एक तो रैंप पे चलना शुरू कर दिया, वो रैंप पे चलते चलते एकदम अंतर्जली यात्रा तक पहुंच जाएगी। और ममता बनर्जी का इस धरना का कोई भी असर आज पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता की मन में नहीं है। पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता ममता जी को अपनाया था, उसको परखा, अभी उसको छोड़ने वाला है।
It has come to mean too much corruption, and now the TMC MPs are staging a protest. What are they staging a protest against? They are staging a protest against action on corruption. And Mamata Banerjee, as a sitting chief minister, when a private company is being raided for its involvement in the coal scam, Hawala transactions, which the court has given a go-ahead for, She goes and obstructs the investigation, takes away the files, does evidence chori. And this is the state of affairs. First it was Ma Mati Manush, now it is Balatkari Bachao, Bhari Bachao and Bhashtachari Bachao. If SIR is done, Mamata Banerjee and TMC tries to save the Guspetya. If the investigation is done, raids are done, they try to save the Bhashtachari, they tried to save Partha Chatterjee, they tried to save other corrupt people in their government, and now they are saving this private company which is involved in corruption. What was the evidence that was taken away by Mamata Banerjee? Should she not be answerable? On the one hand, governor is also unsafe in West Bengal. Imagine who is safe. Not the women of West Bengal, not the governor, not the Ma Mati Manush. Only the Bhrashtacharis are safe. And instead of doing protest against Arjikar, instead of doing protest against Durgapur, they are doing protest for corruption. This is a Bhashtachar ka pradarshan.
आप लोग कल पूरा भारत ने देखा, कल बंगाल ने देखा, कल पूरा भारत ने देखा ये कैसे दुरुपयोग करके ईडी का गृह मंत्रालय से कैसे दुरुपयोग करके उन्होंने दुरुपयोग करके हमारे पार्टी का जितना भी राजनीतिक स्ट्रेटेजिक इंफॉर्मेशन है वो चोरी करने के लिए ईडी को भेजा। और ममता बनर्जी शेरनी है, वो सीधा वहां जाके वो प्रोटेक्ट किया हमारे सामान को।
अरे प्रदर्शन इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि जिस प्रकार से अलोकतांत्रिक तरीके से किसी के पार्टी के ऑफिस के ऊपर इस प्रकार से रेड मारा जा रहा है, क्या ये सही है? वो कोयले के जो आरोप लगा रहे हैं, ये तो पिछले 11 सालों से केंद्र में बीजेपी की सरकार है जो टेंडर चलाती है, आवंटित करती है, और यही लोग हेराफेरी, बीजेपी वाले ही हेराफेरी कर रहे हैं कोयले के अंदर 2 नंबरी काम। उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे वाला हिसाब यहाँ पर चल रहा है। तो ये स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि बीजेपी अपना हार देखते हुए प्रयास कर रही है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस के कौन कैंडिडेट हैं, क्या प्रोग्राम है, आगे क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है, वह चुराने का प्रयास किया है। ये दिन दहाड़े डकैती है जो अमित शाह कर रहे हैं, यह उचित नहीं है। इनको मालूम है कि इनके सीट नहीं आने वाले, इनका इंटरनल सर्वे में 25 सीट से ज्यादा नहीं है। इसको देखते हुए यह पूरी तरीके से अपना भड़ास निकाल रहे हैं, इनके अंदर फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो गया है और यह इसलिए इस प्रकार की हरकतें कर रहे हैं।
Anshul continues to stay on with us. Anshul, 2 big objections being raised by the Trinamool Congress. 1 directly linked to the IPAC raids carried out in Bengal yesterday, and 2 against the detention of some of these TMC MPs who were staging a protest just a couple of minutes ago outside Home Minister Amit Shah's office. They're calling this a deliberate attempt to scuttle democracy. Those are the words coming in from several TMC leaders who are posting relentlessly on social media. What's the situation currently in the national capital where these protests were taking place?
Well, the situation is slowly getting back to normal. The traffic operations have now just been started yet again at the Janpat Road, where this entire Kartavya Bhavan is situated, and the protests were happening. Since these protests and detentions were happening, there was a massive traffic jam that happened in this entire area, and now finally, after the police has removed all the MPs, protesting MPs from the gates of the Kartavya Bhavan, the traffic is getting back to normal. Remember, today is a Friday, today is a working day, and since this morning, as the protests had broken out, there was a lot of traffic disruption that had happened, and now the situation is slowly getting back to normal. It is expected, and it has been a call has also been given by the Trinamool Congress to stage a dharna at the residence of the Home Minister as well, which is yet again a very, very high security area. Security personnel are 24/7 deployed outside the residence of the Home Minister, and if at all any sort of an attempt is made, then definitely we could get to see the same visuals that we just saw happening outside the Kartavya Bhavan as well. So the TMC is claiming that this is a murder of democracy, but yesterday the Enforcement Directorate, probably for the first time, out and released a statement during a search operation that was being carried out. Generally, the Enforcement Directorate gives a statement once the searches comes to an end, and whatever recovery happens, then a combined statement is given. But yesterday, for the first time, the Enforcement Directorate released an official statement during a raid and claimed that Mamata Banerjee barged into the location where the raids were happening and then snatched away crucial documents and electronic devices, is what the ED has claimed at this point in time. And in fact, in that statement, they have also very clearly written that it was an obstruction that was caused by Mamta Banerjee. So definitely the ED is also taking action against Mamta Banerjee for the manner in which she went ahead and stopped government officials from carrying out their duty, which is a liable offence under the BNS as well. So definitely troubles for Mamta Banerjee could increase. But one thing is for sure, that this entire controversy is not going to die down anytime soon,
Yeah.
because the TMC is in no mood to back down. As I mentioned, that there are calls of protest that have been given to be done at the residence of the Home Minister, and not only outside the national capital, but today itself, Mamta Banerjee herself would be carrying out a protest march in Kolkata as well. So definitely the temperatures are going to rise between the BJP and the TMC. But yes, the manner in which Mamta Banerjee has gone ahead and quote-unquote obstructed the work of the enforcement directorate and its officers, that is something that is going to play a very, very crucial
Yeah.
role over the next few days as the enforcement directorate
Well,
is
political temperatures at its peak currently, and the visuals really speaking for itself here. Anshul, I'll come back to you in just a bit.